After a car accident in Washington, D.C., you've got to investigate that claim right away, okay? That means the police report, that means witness statements, that means all of the factors, photographs, photograph the intersection. Try to get surveillance video if it's from the intersection itself, from the traffic lights, cameras, or from local businesses, all right? Why do you do all that? Well, because you don't want any problems with the other driver's insurance company denying liability on your case. That's critical. That's the number one thing to do, all right? You're gonna get your medical treatment, obviously, and probably you can't do all this yourself, right? Because you've gotta go to the hospital, you've got doctor's appointments, you've gotta deal with, the broken bones, the surgery, the fractures, the injuries that you have, not being able to work. So you often need someone to do all of this for you. This is really critical though. You want to get all that evidence, capture it, so that you can show the insurance company that the other driver was at fault and they were the cause of the accident. And you can do that either through a settlement of your case, proving it that way and getting the insurance company to agree to it, or through the DC court system, through a superior court, by proving it all in court. That's really a critical piece. That's something that you need to do right away, that we recommend all the time. We've even written a book on this, a guide for DC, Maryland, and Virginia car accident cases, because that part is the same in all three jurisdictions. If you want that, please click the link, we'll send it to you, or call us, email us, we'll get it to you. But that'll help you make sure that you check all those boxes, put your case in the best position so that you can get a fair and full recovery for the injuries that some other driver caused. Thanks.